Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Well, now I'm taking the timing cover off because if you look here, it's all pitted and it's old. You know what I mean? See?
I saw that when we painted it.
So I got a new one from Dorman. Dorman makes new parts for old cars. You know what I mean? They make
beautiful.
This, you know, and it's great, brand new. You know.
Better than the old one. This is nice.
Definitely, yeah.
Okay.
You know, so I'm gonna take this off. I would like to get everything on. Well, to a certain extent. I'm still waiting on the water pump. I'm gonna put the harmonic balancer.
And you're waiting on pulleys, I think.
Yeah, I'm waiting
awesome pulleys coming in.
Chrome.
Yep. Don't forget, you got to put the camera on.
Not to mention, this is good for wall art. Just hang it up.
Why not? Sure.
You know? So now I'm just gonna unmask it real quick. Nice and easy. I'm not gonna put on yet though.
And you did the same thing. You used, I think, the House of Colors, or
House of Colors.
good. Clear is phenomenal, boy. I'll tell you here. I'll take care of it.
No.
What are you gonna do with the intake? You gonna get that polished eventually?
I would like to. I'm gonna find a polisher, but right now we're just gonna put it on and use it. After I unmask this, I ain't gonna put it on yet. You wanna know why? I'm gonna put the fuel pump delete plate on. Hey?
That's old school. That's been on this car since it was built.
And my complete gasket set comes with that.
Well, of course, because in case you wanted to put a manual fuel pump.
Right. So I'm gonna put it on. Beautiful. That's nice. Very nice.
Well, right now, we got to put the seal on. All right, so next.
All right, let me peel
All right,
this
so
off.
put this on and then take it from there. You got to put that on.
Let me peel this off real quick. I got the seal on the cover. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some sealant on the timing cover gasket, but only on one side. So if we have to take it back apart, it's still reusable sometimes. Don't put too much. It's gonna be all over the front of the engine. You're gonna go tighten the bolts and it's all gonna squish out. Just a tiny little coating. No more than that. You don't want an inch of this stuff all over the gasket. It's too much. I'm gonna put a little bit on the four corners, like literally. A little here, and a little there, okay? This way, when I put it on, it holds it.
Okay.
Just like so. Okay, ready? Alright, now, I'm gonna use some Dorman screws here.
How nice is it to have the assortment?
You're telling me. I
Walk
got
back here,
washers,
you
you
get what
take
you
your
need.
box, and you go. Alright. Now, I'm going to put a lock washer and a flat washer like this. Because if I just put the lock washer, it's going to gouge and take all the paint off. I'm going to put both. Just back out. This was just to hold it. 3, 2, 1. Done. Get a ratchet. So now when I get the water pump in, I can finish bolting up the timing cover because the water pump bolts with the timing cover. If I show you a bolt, it's real long. Here, I'll get a bolt to show you. It goes through the water pump and the timing cover. So that's why they're really long. But right now I can still put the harmonic balancer, so that's what I'm going to do.